Hey everybody, I'm Tommy, and this is the 1-Minute Workbench MicroShop. It's designed to give you all of the essential features of a workshop without compromising on performance in an incredibly compact, collapsible, and portable package. Whether this is your first time here, or even if you've been here before, welcome to 1-Minute Workbench. If you're a maker who lives in a tiny house, a van, on a boat, or let's say you're a traveling handyman, or you're just short on space for any reason whatsoever, then this is the shop for you. It includes a table saw, a router table, a jigsaw table, a 9-inch disc sander, a drill press, and an oversized miter gauge that mitigates the need for a miter saw. It also rests on large, non-slip rubber feet, which make it incredibly stable on a variety of surfaces. As you can see here on these sawhorses, it's just rock solid. It's built around handheld power tools that can be inexpensively purchased at Harbor Freight. A benefit of using these tools is how readily available they are and how inexpensive they are if it ever becomes necessary to replace one of them. One of the coolest things about the MicroShop is that you don't need a table saw in order to build it. It's designed to be built without using a table saw, miter saw, or a drill press. This entire project can be built with just the tools that go into it, one extra hand drill, and a few smaller hand tools like a handsaw, some chisels, and some files. In fact, I built this one right here without using my table saw, drill press, or miter saw. And I have a complete series of videos, build videos that show exactly how I did that. I'll add links to those build videos down in the description section. It's been cleverly designed so that all of the accessories set up and tear down quickly, and all of them fit inside the main compartment, keeping the footprint of the unit very small. It's also been designed so that the tools, for the most part, are not in the way of each other. The table saw and router table are designed to be used from one side of the unit, while the jigsaw table and disc sander are designed to be used from the other side of the unit. If you do need to add or remove a tool's accessories, because they're all mounted with knobs, they can be added or removed in just a few seconds without needing any tools to do so. The table saw has a cutting depth of 1 5/8 of an inch. This allows you to cut standard 2x material like 2x4s and 2x6s. And it has a removable throat plate that can be exchanged for other ones, which gives you full range of the circular saw's angle cutting abilities. The fence is incredibly smooth, very strong, and very accurate. Accurate to a little better than a 1/64 of an inch. There's an extended material support arm that will allow you to support much larger pieces of material, and the miter gauge is about 4 times the size of a normal miter gauge. When used in conjunction with the support arm, this allows you to make crosscuts that you'd normally only be able to make with a miter saw or a large table saw sled. There's also a board splitter which helps reduce the chances of kickback. It's an important safety feature that's missing on most DIY table saw designs. And all of the tools have safety switches, so there's no way they can be turned on by accident, and they're very easy to shut off. The drill press gives you a 4-inch swing, a 3-inch drilling depth, and you have about 8 inches of height adjustability to allow for drilling materials of different thicknesses. The drill press is lever operated, and it has a very smooth action and a very strong spring return. I can only really think of 2 downsides to the MicroShop. Number 1, including the tools that go into it, this build will cost you somewhere between $400 and $450. It's a lot of money if you think about it as a single project. However, if you consider the value it gives you, it's actually a really good deal. There's probably no other way you could get this much functionality for under $500. And there's certainly no way you could get this much functionality in a package this small and portable for under $500. And number 2, it doesn't have any dust collection. I could have added dust collection if I had made the package a few inches bigger in kind of all 3 directions. However, my goal for this project was to make it as portable as possible, as compact and portable as possible. So for this version, I've opted to leave the dust collection out. Although I haven't gotten to it yet, there's one more major feature I'm gonna add to the MicroShop, and that is I'm gonna build a container for it that will double as a bench when it's not in use. And when it comes time to use it, the bench will double as a base for the MicroShop so that you don't need sawhorses or any other type of supports. If you wanna build one of these for yourself, I offer plans for sale on my website. The plans include a complete shopping list with part numbers and provide step-by-step instructions in very great detail. And again, the plans will show you how to build this even if you don't already own a table saw, miter saw, or drill press. Hey, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified every time there's a new episode. I'd love to hear what you think of this MicroShop in the comments section below. And if you have any quick questions you want answered, hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. And until the next time I see you, I hope you have fun building something.